Hey guys, it's Emily here down at Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change, rig ready Ram, and now we buy your Ram. This is one of our newest trades. It's a 2013 Ram 1500 Bighorn, has your 5.7 liter HEMI, and it is a great truck for someone on a budget, so let's go take a look. Lots of chrome up at the front of this one. You're gonna have the chrome grille with the chrome Ram badging, and then you're gonna have your chrome bumper with the two built-in black tow hooks, halogen headlights and fog lights on this one. And then underneath the hood, you're gonna have your 5.7 liter HEMI. 20-inch chrome rims along the side of this one. You're gonna have your chrome badging as well. You're also gonna have chrome door handles on this one, and then your cab length running boards. Coming into the back, you have chrome bumpers, and you're gonna have dual exhausts. You're set up for towing on this one, 4 and 7 pin wiring with your hitch receiver. Some more chrome badging on this one as well. And then popping open the tailgate here, you do have a spray-in bed liner. This one is also a nice low price point for your budget shopper, $19,999 plus GST. But now we're gonna take a look in the front. Up at the front of this one, you're gonna have your premium diesel gray cloth seats, leather wrapped steering wheel on this one as well. A lot of storage in this truck. You're gonna have a huge center console. And then the top of your center console is going to have your SD card holder, as well as a USB and aux, and then another USB. 12-volt plug-in right here, as well as some additional storage areas and your 2 cup holders. And then even more additional storage up in the front of your glove boxes here. All-weather floor mats as well. And then this one's gonna come with your 8.4-inch touchscreen. You can hook up your phone. This one does have Bluetooth. You also can control your climate. And then once your phone is hooked up, you can access all of the media on it. And then you're gonna have access to your radio as well, and that's all on your touchscreen. You can turn off the screen if you're not wanting to use it. That way it's not shining bright in your face. And then you can still control all of your climate and radio controls with the buttons. Coming down a little bit lower, you can turn on and off your tow haul mode and turn on and off your traction control. You're gonna have your 4-wheel drive right here. And then this one also does have an aftermarket trailer brake control. On the steering wheel itself, you're gonna have all of your cruise controls and your hands-free controls. And then the back side of the steering wheel has your buttons for changing radio station, turning up and down the volume of your music. Your mirrors do flip in on this one with a button. They're gonna flip in and out for you. And then you do have a power adjustable driver's seat. Coming up here, you're gonna have your universal garage door opener. So each of these buttons can be programmed into a different garage door, and that's gonna save you some clutter up here. You're also gonna have a power sliding rear window, but now we're gonna go finish up in the back. The diesel gray interior does continue into the back of this truck. You're gonna have the dark gray accent in the middle of both of the edge seats. And then you're also gonna have 2 cup holders down here for your passengers to put their drinks in, as well as a 12-volt plug-in, so that on long road trips your passengers are covered, they can plug in their devices. Lots of storage in the back of both seat pockets here on either side. On the door, you're gonna have an additional speaker, and then you're gonna have your power windows and your power locks. Even though this one is a quad cab, as you can see, there is still a ton of space and leg rooms for your passengers. These seats do flip up in a split. So you can have that one up and this one down, or vice versa. And then there is lots of storage underneath these 2 plastic pieces. And these pieces do fold out flat. This leg underneath makes them a little bit more stable, and that's great for any sporting bags, groceries. You can put your dogs in here so they're not scratching up your seats and getting them all dirty. If you want to make this one yours, you can click the link below for pictures and pricing, or you can give us a call, 780-942-3629.